Today we're going to do something different. We're not going to use any tools or stamping plates to create some awesome looking nails. We're just going to use nail polish. I have New Year, New Boo, and Don't Be a Snowflake. As usual, I start out with a base coat. I love these two polishes for making winter nails. This is a gorgeous, deep blue. And on the other nails, I'll be using Don't Be a Snowflake. New Year, New Boo only needs one coat, but I'll be doing a couple of coats of the Don't Be a Snowflake. Now I'm just going to top everything off with a top coat. So here is the finished mani. It looks 100% better in person, but look at that blue. That blue is so beautiful. It is so dark, but it's got that flash of gorgeous deep jewel tone to it. And look at Don't Be a Snowflake. Oh my gosh. All of those holographic sparkles, which sparkles way more in person. I think you can get a little bit of those flashes. All of those little glitters are all holographic and they are simply beautiful. This is my favorite winter mani of all time. I want to wear this the entire winter long and never take it off. This is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you like the if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.